Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to buy and open packs in Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel on Android. To do this, you'll need to go to your shop, then pick whichever pack you want, but keep in mind that you will need this currency to buy it. So I'm gonna choose this one. Then you can pick amount of packs you want to buy. I'm gonna buy one. Purchase. And here we'll be able to open it or skip it to make it open faster. But we're gonna open it like this. And here we can see our cards. We can just press on them to reveal, or just scroll like this and all of them are revealed. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.